What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over XRP. It's following our analysis that's been posted in the Discord. We're also in XRP trade. You can gain free access to my signals at the end of the video. So we're sitting at 64 cents. We're up 2.5 on the day. We're seeing market cap at 34.83 billion. 24-hour volume 1.86 billion. So let's hop to the charts. So we're looking at a leading diagonal. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. So we have a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I think is likely, because what we're looking for, let me zoom out for you guys on the daily chart. So we have a nice 1, 2, 1, 2 setup. So right now what we're looking for is to push up in a wave 3, the start of a wave 3. This is basically the wave 1 of the wave 3. So you have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 pullback. That was your wave 3, wave 4, and now you're pushing up in the wave 5. So when we zoom into that, what we're looking at is to push up in this larger wave 5. And the first wave of the wave 5 is a leading diagonal and a 5-wave move. So now what you would look for is a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the upside. Of course, anything can happen. We can explode to the upside. We've seen it before. But as of right now, this is what I'm looking for. We're already in a long trade that's doing well. So what you would do, take a fib retracement from the bottom of that wave 1, which is here in white, up to the top. And your target zone for the wave 2 pullback would be in between the 50% fib at 0.0617 and the 78.6, which is at 0.059 for a wave 2 pullback before continuation. If we just explode to the upside, then it is what it is. We'll start to hit our take profits on our trades, but this does look like a leading diagonal pattern with a rising wedge. So if we do pull back, look for a bounce in between. Let me add some price targets in between 0.061 or 0.61 and about 0.59 for a wave 2 pullback and then continuation. If we just continue to push, then your next resistance to watch is 67 cents. As you can see on the weekly chart, we have this massive wedge, this massive triangle. So once we do start to push up and break that's about 70 cents, we hold it as support. That's when you're going to see that massive breakout for XRP. It looks like it's winding up, it's coiling up for a large breakout. So hopefully that's what we see, and we'll absolutely crush it on our trade. But in the meantime, if we do pull back, then we'll be looking for a bounce in between 61 cents and 59 cents. So if you want access to my signals, as I mentioned, we're going to trade for XRP as well as BTC, Matic, Gala Games. Then just sign up to BITUNIX. There's no KYC, no VPN. Just let it load up here all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. And once you've signed up, just send me an email, make your first deposit, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in 4 trades right now: crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're also in some Forex trades, about to hit our 3rd TP on USD JPY, as you can see right here. Trade crypto, trade Forex for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX, and then send me email. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. We have over 2,600 members in the Discord. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.